Okay, I'm going to tell you what's going on. It has snowed. I am in Brooklyn, New York. It is 19 degrees Fahrenheit today. About minus 7 degrees Celsius if you're elsewhere in the world. Whew. And the snow is coming down. And it is certainly treacherous. So this is a sidewalk right here. I think it may be about, 6 to 7 inches on the sidewalk. Because of the wind factor, the cars are not that bad. Holy cow. You gotta be careful now. You have mattress and stuff all over here. Oh my goodness. Wait for the garbage to be picked up, so yeah, lots of stuff happening. Okay, if you look down the road there's nothing coming. Nothing. And if you look this way, there's nothing. It's a good thing it's a Saturday. Most people are home. Whew. Okay, but I want to show you this. Whew. The wind is like, forget it. Whew. Oh, all right. That sidewalk I can't walk. I basically have to walk in the road. Let's see. Take a look at this sidewalk right here. Whew. It is pretty high. At least 12 inches high right there. All right. So I'm gonna walk down this road. Just to give you an idea. Oh, okay. No traffic on the road, people. Very good. It's very icy right here. Gotta be very careful. So I have to stay closer to here where it is more sandy, the ice. Oh, goodness. Yep. So this is what we're facing. The weather report, they say that we were gonna have a bomb snowstorm cyclone or something to that effect, whatever order they put that in. I don't think it is that yet, but it is treacherous. It is treacherous. I think the snow plow passed by here a few times, you can tell. There's a driver there. And here's another one coming in my direction. He must be wondering, what is this lady doing on the street? This better be urgent. So there's something to be said. This snow brings about some degree of beauty. If you look at the trees, hope you can see. They're adorned with white, but the road is treacherous. Whew. Whew. I have to close one eye. This is certainly not for the faint of heart. Not for the faint of heart. Not. You have to have some degree of tough to live in New York. Yep. I was forced to be tough, or I am forced. I've been here for some time. Right. I have to give way. What do I hear? Oh, okay. There's a plow truck coming behind me. Whew. Oh man. Oh. Let's see, he's gonna pass me in a minute. There it is. station people are busy, man. They're very busy. Call the mayor, tell them they're doing a fine job. All right. Whew. All right. All right, so I'm gonna turn up here. Oh my goodness, it is. No, I can't do the sidewalk. I have to go in the road, in the middle of the road. Okay, let's see what side to take. Oh, these are the lovely trees right here. Okay, hold on. I'm not wearing a mask. I see someone within 6 feet of me, so just gonna let them go. All right. So wait a minute. Let's see what that vehicle is doing behind me. Oh, yeah, because I have to take the road. It's very slippery. See how he's walking? He's walking with a swag. It's the snow. Oh, all right. All right. So this is what it looks like, guys. This is what it looks like. Ooh, that's some nice trees right there. Yeah. That's another one. This one is like hanging fruit of sorts, but it's all snow. All snow. I hope you can see the snow coming down. I wanted to drive around to do this, but no. It is dangerous to drive right now. I mean, I've done it, but, you know, it's good to obey the authorities. They say, don't drive, not unless you have an urgent matter on the road. So I take that advice. Whew. So now you know what's going on. That's it. I don't want to bore you. This is it, my friend. I am gonna try and head back to my abode. You take good care, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Share it with a friend, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. My kids will be proud of me for saying that, because you know I'm an old folk. All right, take care, people.